back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. Even though it seems like I've been posting videos, I haven't really been filming videos for a long time because I have so many videos. I film so many videos. It's the editing part that just, you know, I film it and I kind of just leave it there later. I've got a hair review for you today. This hair is from Nadula hair. I've never tried their hair before, but I've seen positive reviews about them all over the internet. So I almost thought it was a United States based hair store, but it's Asian. I guess they have like a headquarters out here, but it's still from Asia. I got the hair really fast because like I said, they have a headquarters out here. But the only thing is that they messed up my order. And it's crazy because I'm an influencer. And how you gonna mess up my order? I asked for 4 bundles. I asked for 2 26s, a 24, a 22, and a 20-inch closure. Instead, oh, they did still give me 2 26s. So that means I have 2 26s and a 24 and a 20-inch closure. So they come in bags that look like this, as usual. The box comes with your order slip and some eyelashes. On the box, you see their website, their Instagram, and their YouTube channel. Let's inspect these bundles. Off the jump, it's already looking a little different than most companies. Everything is wrapped in a little net to keep the curls intact. When I say it looks different than other companies, tell me that this hair doesn't look very different than the way other companies send you their hair. I like it so far. I like the way it feels. Smells good. Doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell bad. This feels like real hair, like one donor hair. It looks very real. You can tell that there's some fillers in there because I can see some really like gold pieces of hair, but just the way it feels like authentic hair. I'm gonna be doing 2 videos for them. I always ask you guys what you want to see in the second video. Do you want me to color it, style it? What do you guys want me to do to this hair? Let me know down below. I think I got the Brazilian natural wave. They're a little bit on the more expensive side, okay? I went onto their site and I chose the free part 20-inch closure, 26, 26, and 24 bundles in Brazilian hair, and the total came out to $274.96. This is their actual website, so it's not an AliExpress vendor, but like I said, I've seen so many good things about this company, so I hope that the price makes sense with the hair quality. Almost $300 for hair isn't always in everybody's budget, especially with AliExpress right there on the grasp, on the corner. So I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about this hair. The curl pattern is lovely so far. It doesn't look processed, but it might be, so we're gonna wash it and see how that works out. I'll be back in a couple of months to let you guys know how I feel about this hair. Deuces. What's up, you guys? So I just wanted to show you guys what this hair looked like air dried, because I'm about to style it, because I'm about to go somewhere. And so I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you guys my review on this beautiful hair. All right, so I'm back. The hair is styled. It's been a minute. I did my makeup and stuff too. I wanted to give you guys my review on this hair. This is Nadula hair. I've been wearing it for a minute and I love this hair. Me and this hair have a love-hate relationship. Did I already make this review? Because I remember saying this. I probably already made this review. Whatever, whichever one sounds better, because I've been wearing this hair for a really long time. The reason why I have a love and a hate relationship with this hair is because look at how it looks when it's curled. You saw how it looked when it was freshly washed, but my issue is that it kind of feels a little dry now. Like once it gets heat on it, it starts feeling a little bit dry. So because of that, when it's time to wash it and like, you know, restyle it, it starts shedding. And it's not like a cute amount of shedding. It's not like, oh, it's a little bit of shedding here, a little bit of shedding there. It's like noticeable shedding. And that irritates me because I have 3 bundles and a closure on this unit, where normally I get 4 bundles and a closure. And I'm afraid that in no time this hair, not in no time, but over time this hair would probably like thin out, and I don't like that. I don't have on any lipstick, my bad, but I forgot. The issues that I have with this is the shedding, the dryness, and the tangling. So when it gets dry, it starts to tangle and shed. So that's not, you know, something that a lot of people want to deal with. It's not bad, and I've been rocking it. I love it. Like, you guys know I wouldn't bring the review to you if I don't like it, because I love the way this hair looks, how long it holds a curl. Like, I'll be throwing this wig all over the place. I wake up, brush it out, and it looks like this. You understand what I mean? So I'll be like, okay, it looks like this. It's gonna be annoying to wash. It's gonna be annoying later on today. Like, for example, if I sleep on this hair tonight just like this, and I don't take it off or don't wrap it or nothing, and I wake up in the morning, I'll brush it out and it'll look like this. But if I wear it until the end of the day again, the back will be natted. You understand? So I guess you could say that the way I take care of hair, and I'm not like the best at taking care of hair, but still comparing it to other companies, I can tell that this is a little bit different. Like a lot of companies, hair doesn't hold like this. So if you want to get hair that you can style easily and it looks beautiful and, you know, stuff like that, like there's different pros and cons to different hair, obviously. So if I was to give it a rating, I would give it an 8. I really like the hair a lot. For 3 bundles of 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure, it comes out to about $203. Just use your own discretion. If you think that's a good price for the type of hair that you're getting, then I recommend. But if you don't think that you're paying the right amount, then I do not recommend, because to me, this hair is beautiful, and y'all have seen me rock it all day, every day. It curls, it holds the curl, it looks beautiful. But the issues behind the scenes are annoying. You know, if you're not bothered by it, then who cares, you know, just get the hair, it's pretty. So it's up to you. You guys let me know how you guys feel about it. All the links where you can find this hair are going to be down below, as well as the links where you can contact me. So make sure you open up the description box. Make sure you go out and do wonderful things in the world, and make sure no drama comes from anybody but me, because I'm your baby mama. I love you, and now give me a kiss. Bye.
God give me grace. God give me style, God give me grace. God put a smile on my face. God put the smile on my face. God make me shine like the sun. God make me shine like the sun. Sometimes I feel like I'm the one. Sometimes I feel like it ain't my fault.